Retail giant Costco, also known as Yahoo Finance's Company of the Year. It's reporting earnings tomorrow after the close, and Sozzi has got his hot take on what to expect.
Yeah, I'm really beating into the ground this Yahoo Finance Company of the Year, as we should, because it's Costco and it's very exciting. So the company is reporting earnings after the close tomorrow. A couple things I am watching ahead of these results, and there's my trusty list. First, sales trends in more expensive discretionary products. Costco, I think, has acknowledged that they have seen a little bit of a slowdown.
Those giant teddy bears?
Not giant teddy bears. No. TVs and jewelry. Those big 93-inch plush bears are in fact still selling, Julie. Next up, profit margins with inflation coming off its peak. Gross profit margins, I should say more specifically. Watch to see how those pan out with inflation coming down a little bit, notably in food. And then hints at a membership fee increase. You better believe that CFO Richard Galante is going to be fielding at least 2 or 3 analyst questions on this earnings call about a membership fee increase at some point next year. They have held the line, even as Sam's Club has raised membership fees. But if Costco does raise fees, it could be a big boost next year. Now, speaking of Galante, I caught up with him in a new store opening as part of our Company of the Year coverage. Take a listen to what he said ahead of these earnings reports.
Look, my answer is it rains on everyone. Maybe it drizzles on us, not hard rain. And so we've done a little better than our peers. This was a slight downtick in those numbers. And as one of the analysts said, in some ways we're priced to perfection. We sell at a very attractive multiple. We're doing well.
And Galante explaining the market reaction to November sales that were reported on November 30th. And the market really hammered Costco shares because same-store sales slowed month over month. It was a good month, relatively speaking, versus retail. But as Galante noted correctly, Costco stock is priced for absolute perfection, meaning sales theoretically should have accelerated, and they didn't. Now, Costco shares so far month to date are down about 11%, in large part because of that miss. Citi noting this morning in a note that Costco remains one of their most crowded retail trades. So it'll be interesting to see that market reaction to that report. My take overall is this, and really, no matter the quarter, no matter how it shakes out, Costco is in fact very deserving of our Company of the Year award in my humble view. There I am holding that legendary hot dog, which Costco held the line on that price for $1.50, and the unlimited refill soda that goes along with that hot dog. This company has been operating at a very high level during a very challenging year for most part of the year, so double-digit same-store sales increases.
Yeah, going to be a big quarter to track for them. Of course, we already get some of those numbers out on a more regular cadence, fortunately, but I think for how they're engaging with the consumer right now, and the consumer that's looking for better optional pricing at a per-unit basis, too.
Darn good hot dog.
And what about
Is it beef or pork?
Well, I'd include that in my piece, Julie.
We don't know? We don't know the answer to this?
Maybe it's a mix. Is it a mix?
No. It's either beef or it's pork.
Oh, I know it's a giant hot dog. It's $1.50. It tastes good, and it came with a refillable soda.
I'm just saying there's certain segments. Well, I guess if you're vegetarian, not eating in the first place.
It melted in my mouth. It was great. It had little sesame seeds on the bun. It was great.
I don't know that I want a hot dog to melt in
it was just
my
amazing.
mouth.
That's a space hot dog.
Describer that I would use for
there's only so much you can report on. This was our Company of the Year. The hot dog is good. It was so good. Had a nice little crisp, just melted. It was just great.